Guys, welcome back to my channel for my existing viewers and welcome to my channel if you're watching me for the first time. I usually do videos in my own language, but today I'm going to make this in English because of two reasons. Firstly, I don't have to add the subtitles to the video, and mainly I want this video to reach many people so that at least few of them may get motivated by it. And if you wonder why am I hiding my face, that's because of some personal reason, guys, and I believe revealing face doesn't matter if we have good content to share, right? To get started with my introduction, I love to introduce myself as a mother of two lovely girls. Some ab exercise on YouTube a few weeks earlier. I came across a Chloe Ting's 2 weeks ab challenge as a recommendation. For those who don't know who is Chloe Ting, she is a famous fitness trainer who has millions of subscribers, and she does amazing fitness videos which are really very effective with more positive results, guys. I will link her channel details in the description box, please go through it. 2 weeks earlier, when I felt like doing some exercise to lose that extra stubborn weight I have even after shedding many kgs post delivery, I went through her site and I checked the 2 week ab challenge, the Chloe Ting 2 week ab challenge. You can see in my description box here. And I decided to film it for my self motivation and also to motivate others. I thought of making my own video to see whether I am consistently doing it or not, and also to get self motivated. And here is my video, guys. It's my experience of doing this challenge. I have shared everything in it, please do watch it. First day measurement, guys. You can see here how my tummy was bloated, and I want to reduce this. I don't want a six pack, but I want to be fit, like going little bit inside. And as you see, my measurements over tummy was 39 inches. I am not pushing it outside. You can see from my back also I feel little bit fat bulging out. So here are my measurements, and also weight. If you see my weight, it was 62.6 when I started this challenge. On my first day of the challenge, I did 15 minutes of cardio before doing this workout. So that cardio included 20 into 3 jumping jacks, 20 times into 3 repetitions of high knees, 20 times and 3 repetitions of squats, and 10 burpees. I used to start this workout only after doing 15 minutes of cardio, because if you raise your heart rate up, then you can easily burn that extra fat. You should be in a fat burning pace before starting any workout. You can see here how I was struggling to do these hundreds. It was very tough for me in the initial days. I mean 1 to 3 days it was very tough, and I could not do that plank jacks and also this plank raises. Coming to the point of plank hold, I could just hold it for 10 to 12 seconds, not more than that. It was very tough for me on the day 1 and day 2, and after day 3 it was easier for me to do these forms a little bit perfect. I also took pictures of my food routine during this challenge. Take a look into it, guys. So I followed a simple diet during this challenge. I followed my healthy eating routine pattern, which includes only home food, and I kept dinners very light. I mean, I used to eat before 7 and I used to eat very healthy food. Yes, definitely I was in a calorie deficit too, but not too strict. I used to take high protein, fiber and carbs including too. To a crash diet in this time, you will definitely lose some weight, but at the same time, when you stop this exercise and go back to your normal eating routine, then all the weight you have lost will be bouncing back. So I didn't want that to happen. That's why I followed a healthy diet during this challenge. You can see this is my day 4 and I could do the hundreds better than the day 1. So day by day my stamina was increasing and I had a lot of confidence about to see my results soon. I felt very energetic when doing this workout challenge. I had this arm strength also to hold the plank properly. On the 4th day I hold it for 20 seconds. 12th day, and by 12th day I was very easily managing all the exercise forms well. I was able to do all the forms very well. You can see, and also I felt like I got habituated to doing these exercises, and it felt like addiction to me doing 14 days continuously. That means if you're doing something continuously, then you will surely going to love it like I did. My experience about this challenge was really good. I felt light and feeling my belly has gone inside, not that much but quite noticeable. I would definitely love to take up her 2 week straight program, and if I do, then I will keep you posted, guys. If anybody is interested in my weight loss diet, let me know so that I can post a video about the diet which I took during the challenge, which was purely an Indian diet. And if you want me to post a video on my diet, what I eat to maintain the weight I shred, surely let me know in the comment section so that it helps me to make a video for you. Here are my result guys after 14 days. You can see how I used to look on day 1 and on day 14. I got to see some good results. You can see the t-shirt also went one size smaller I guess. And if I measure my inches, this is 37. You can see here it is 37 inches and it was 39 in the starting. Now it is 37 inches. You can see it's still one finger gap is there. And if I tuck inside my stomach, if I squeeze inside, then the size is 34 inches, 34.5. Okay, almost 35 inches. That means I lost around 2 to 2.5 inches in 14 days. That was really very amazing and surprising results for me to see. You can see the results only if you're consistent and taking a healthy food during this challenge. My ultimate goal is to be fit regardless of weight. I wanted to build strength and stamina so that I never get tired playing with my kids. And my weight also gone from 62.6 to 60 point something. I lost 2 kgs of weight in this 2-week challenge guys. That's it guys. I hope it motivates at least a few people who are watching this video. I had fun making it too. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, then let me know by pressing the like button down there. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.